Portions of the following program have been pre-recorded. Actually, all of it has been pre-recorded. No humans were injured during the making of this video.
Hi.
Howdy.
Time to defrost refrigerator number 2.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
I did the first one on Tuesday, and so now I'm doing the second one. In the summertime, it takes a full day for these to get back to cold enough to put stuff in. Luckily, we're here at my sister's, and I could put stuff in their garage refrigerator.
I thought you used the hairdryer.
I do both. I'm just getting the excess off that I can scrape off for right now. And then I'll use the hairdryer again some more.
Good job. Keep it up.
Thanks. Okay, Tom wanted some peanut butter and crackers.
Yeah.
So he's gonna open up the peanut butter and watch this.
What do you mean, watch this? What the f is that?
Don't say that word.
What the hell is that?
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
What's the matter? What's wrong? What happened to your
What
peanut
is
butter?
this?
What happened to your peanut butter?
So it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Why are you cooking chicken?
I'm cooking it for Bear.
Oh, yeah.
Bear had dental surgery on Monday, and she can't have any hard food for 2 weeks because she had teeth pulled. So I'm boiling up some chicken, then I shred it, and then I use the chicken broth to cook some rice, and I'll save some of the chicken broth to soften up her other food. So she has a variety. I may even cook up some ground turkey for her. So she has to have soft food for 2 weeks.
And what do I get?
Whatever I make for you. Uh-oh, we have a problem.
Lori, please stop
There's
what you're
oil.
doing and come over here.
Oil leaking.
Bear, are you waiting for a donut? Is this what you're waiting for? That's chocolate. You can't have that. Would you like your own personal donut? What do you think? You want one of those? Here you go. If you can open it, you can have it.
Daddy.
All right, here. See if I can do this one-handed. Guess not. All right. Easy. Easy. Okay. Was that yummy? Now I get one. Mmm. Sound
like the Cookie Monster.
All done.
I remember, yeah, it was.
So what are you doing there?
They were
I am mobilizing his patella, his kneecap, Trying to make sure that it glides right in all the directions compared to this one.
You ever watch Zoolander? Yeah. It was right around that time.
Relax that one for me. There you go.
And now they're giant. They're like phablets.
Check the non-surgical one, see what's normal for him, and then we try and replicate that with the surgical side. That's moving good that way. Side to side, and then usually the most limited one is what we call a superior glide, the upward glide.
Yeah, that got a photo.
A little tight there. He's starting to clench. The eye, you can just look at his eyes. The eyes tell the story. The eyes don't lie.
Little clinch.
Yeah.
Little clinch.
Make sure we got full extension.
Yeah, no, why could you regurgitate information like that, you know what I mean?
Which we're getting there compared to this side. Not quite as much, but we're getting full zero there. Need the back of the knees touching the table, right?
Yeah.
Cocoa butter. Buttering up the turkey.
We're buttering them up, huh? Getting them ready.
So the other way to stretch
I think you just saw how dry he was and figured, boy, this guy needs some lotion.
Well, yeah, you do get real dry and flaky after surgery. It's pretty common.
Yeah. More of like you're sticking yourself in timeout.
So we'll take the
Lean
instrument.
into the corner. Keep that nice upright posture.
He's gonna slice you.
Yeah. Take the silver knuckles and lay into him, huh? So we're just going to sweep across the whole knee, the whole thigh here. Pretty light pressure. What we're trying to do here is move fluid. Move the effusion out of his knee and joint capsule.
Little chin tuck. Yep. Nothing too crazy that you should kind of feel that. So this is the position that I want.
Stimulate circulation a little bit.
Roller is nice to stretch out on because it puts you in that position.
This is going to help his pain.
It feels good, he says.
Yeah, it does feel good.
Another 30 seconds.
What's part of the irritation on is just the fluid stasis in your knee after surgery, right? It's just locked in there. It's just aches and throbs, and you know, this is a confined space and you add volume in there and it's just uncomfortable.
Let's go find out what Lori is up to right now. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon.
Oh, hello.
And what are you doing?
I'm ironing.
In the hallway.
In the hallway. Yep. Yep. This is where I iron. We're going out to dinner tonight for our daughter's birthday, and I needed to iron a dress for me and your shirt.
So you have a full-size ironing board here.
Yes, I do. It doesn't take up much space at all. And I got to have a full one. I cannot stand those tabletop ones.
You've tried the tabletop.
I have. We used to have one. Got rid of it. Yep, I got to have a full ironing board. I like to iron anyway.
You what?
I love to iron.
I knew you were weird when I married you.
That's right. I used to always beg you to be able to do your ironing, and you wouldn't let me for a long time. Till you knew you were going to keep me, then you decided, okay, she can do my ironing. Tom and I were sitting out here on our little patio, and I'm getting whiffs of propane. So we decided to come and check the tanks and the hoses to see if there was a leak. And sure enough, we used our soapy water spray and this kind of hose. They're leaking right there where they connect. Tom put in the tanks today. They were out here on the ground because he couldn't kneel to get them in when he had his injured knee.
I hate these things. A lot of people love them. I hate them because they're not flexible. They're just too hard to manipulate with the way our tanks go in this rig.
So
we're going back to black hoses.
Thankfully, he had extras.
Always carry a spare.
Always carry a spare, yes. So he had the right kind of hoses. And hopefully it's not the regulator, but I have a feeling it's the hoses.
And it says you're not supposed to use tape on these. So we will see.
So always trust your nose. If you think you smell something, check it out. Because there was in fact a leak. Actually 2 leaks, but the right tank wasn't open. Uh-oh. It bubbled up. He's just being cautious with how much to tighten it. Ta-da! Oh,
No,
just a little
still
tiny bit.
bubbles.
Still bubbles.
Still bubbles.
Not as much as before, though.
I see no bubbles.
Nope.
I see no bubbles.
Good. Want a rag?
I got one. Always carry a snot rag with you. You never know when you're going to need it.
He uses it for just about everything but snot. My dad used to carry a handkerchief with him all the time too.
No bubbles.
Nope. Nope, good. Open this side up for just a minute to show what the bubbles look like. Because somebody might see those suds and say, I see bubbles. But it's because it's soapy water. Okay. You can hear it fizzing.
See it oozing out of there?
See the bubbles? That's what we're looking for. Or that's what we don't want to see. Okay, now switch the other hose.
Yeah. I'm done with these guys.
The gauges were kind of nice.
The gauges were good, but boy, I sure don't like those hoses.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of the way. Well, Tom put the second one on, and he did put yellow tape for the propane. No bubbles, just the suds from soapy water, but not any bubbles. And we did not go back and take that one off and put yellow tape on it. We'll keep an eye on it. We seem to be going through propane fast off that tank. But for now, I mean, we never put yellow tape on those kind of pigtails before, so guess we'll see how it goes.
All done.
All done. Trust your nose, carry spares. Those are Tom and Lori's tips for today.
Time to go order another set now.
Yep. So today is the first reset day we've had since getting the transmission fixed in the truck and Tom's knee being fixed. We've been using a Blue Boy. So this time we brought the trailer, and I am following behind just in case anything were to go wrong with the truck. We could at least rescue the animals. So this is the dump station at the Shell on Red Rock Road near Reno, Nevada. Well, we made it. The truck did fine as far as the transmission goes, but there was something a little fishy with the brakes, and so we're taking it in next week. But we got Talo here just fine, got reset up again, so we are good for another 2.5 weeks or so. Got everything set back up again. I love it when a travel day, reset day,
goes well.
Brakes are good on the truck. What we think was the issue was we had new brakes put on this truck earlier in the summer. Then my knee came about and I wasn't able to drive. So the truck stayed parked for almost 2 full months without being used. So the brakes never got a good test pulling the trailer or even just driving the truck. So what we've done is we've pumped the brakes, we've bled them. We're going to take it back to the shop and let them really look at it to make sure that everything is okay with the brakes. But it should be no problem whatsoever. Knock on wood.
Take your banner and raise